Hey guys, what's going on? Just going to take a quick look here at Chainlink. Ticker for this is LINK, and right now I'm on the weekly time frame. Before I get into it though, a couple things. First, if you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I drop new content, click subscribe, click the bell, and then click on all. Also, if you want to place do trade link and any of the other coins I talk about on this channel, I'll put a link to an exchange that does not require you to submit any KYC information. And if you sign up with that link, you're going to get a sign up bonus. Okay, so let's get into the chart here. This one's trading quite technically. So my chart's obviously quite marked up because I've been trading this coin for a long time. It's one of my largest long-term holds as well. Well, not long-term. I'm planning on selling the majority of it towards the end of this cycle. But as of right now, yeah, this is one of my biggest holdings. Okay, so I'm not gonna recap all of this over here. I'm just gonna focus on the recent price action since I made my last videos on this, right? And that would be a few months ago. Okay, so that brings us to this ascending channel. Okay, so obviously we broke out of this long-term consolidation range around here at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So yeah, broke out of here, and off of this move, we came all the way up to this box. Okay. The reason why we got resistance right here, I'm going to show you quickly actually. I'll take a Fibonacci retracement, I'll run it from the high down to the low, and you'll see that this range right here it's called the golden pocket, right? So it's the region between the 618 and the 65%. So we came up, we got a lot of sellers coming in here right at the 618 as one would predict, and the retrace off that formed a falling wedge, right? So bullish pattern. When we broke out of this, we came all the way back up, and this time we moved past the previous resistance level here at the golden pocket, and we moved all the way up to the 786 Fibonacci retracement. We pretty much came within maybe 10 cents of this level. Okay, so again, Fibonacci is something that a lot of traders are looking at. So yeah, when you want to know potential levels of resistance on the way back up, just do that and you're going to get some main levels. Okay, I would say the most important level is obviously this golden pocket, but very rarely when you come up to this 786 on the first attempt anyway, it's likely going to sell off. And not only did we have this Fibonacci resistance up here at the 786, but selling off from here, that gave us a second connection point on this upsloping trend line. So that gives the upper region of this ascending channel a little bit more relevancy, right? So as the price comes back up, if we're able to break through this 786, the next level of resistance that I would anticipate, well, there's going to be two. It's going to be $34.40. And the reason why I'm saying that is because if you look left all the way over here, that was quite a significant resistance level. Okay, you see right here, got rejected. We broke through it. When we came back below it, it was resistance right here and resistance right here, right? So yeah, that's just another region that traders are going to be looking at to either take profits or enter short positions. So that's going to be 34.54. I don't think if we do come up, I don't think this is going to be where the market stops. Maybe sellers are going to come in, push it down a little bit, but I think we're just going to regain momentum and come back up to retest the top of this ascending channel once again. Now, the price at which we come up to this top level is going to depend on when it happens, right? So the further we go out here, the higher it gets. So if you look all the way maybe in November, that's going to be around $47. But if it comes up quite rapidly here to around the $39 level, we're going to have some confluence, right? So we're going to have the 88.3 fib, and that's going to align again with this upsloping resistance trend line. Okay, now as for where we are right now, we are currently at a resistance level. Okay, so this region here, this second rectangular red box that I have here. Now, I started it right here. Okay, so the most significant level pertaining to this current level of resistance that we're at is $18.26. So we're just below it right now. And the reason why I have this kind of like a rectangular box is because I initiated right here at the top of these candle bodies. So I'll zoom in a bit here. Initiated it here, and then I just made the second level based on the low of these candle bodies, right? So it's a bit of a range. And if we look at the recent price action in relation to this range, you'll see that all throughout here it was holding as a support, but once we broke below it with this candle, that's when it was pretty much over and we had a huge sell-off, right? Again here, when we broke above it, the bulls were trying to defend it as indicated by this long wick here on this weekly candle. So we sold all the way down. By the time this candle close, buyer stepped in, defended this level, and again, that's around maybe $18.19. So yeah, pretty much exactly where we are now. And then once again, look what's happening. It looks pretty familiar, doesn't it? We traded above it into this rectangular box, but right now we have a weekly candle closing on Sunday evening. So that's in less than 24 hours, 8 p.m. Eastern time. It's very important to watch how this weekly candle closes. I would say if this candle body closes above this yellow line, let's say it closed at around 1852, that's going to be a sign for the bulls to go hard into the next week. If this candle body closes below this level, that's not what we want to see if we are bullish on Chainlink. And yeah, with this being one of my largest holdings, yeah, I'm gonna pay close attention to this. All right, so yeah, that's just a quick update. Overall, I think this is quite a bullish structure. I am anticipating it to go much higher in the months to come. However, I am aware that we are at a current level of resistance, so I would not personally enter long positions for trading, short-term trading positions, until I get confirmation on this weekly candle close. All right, guys, that about wraps it up. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, smash the like button. And once again, if you want to place through Chainlink and all the other coins I talk about on this channel, just check out the link in the pinned comment and description. And if you sign up with that, you're going to get a sign-up bonus. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.